Today we're going to install an air cleaner on a 2017 Ram. This particular one has a 5.7 Hemi, which is very popular. They made this vehicle from like 2013 to 2020, and they started calling it the Classic after that. If you take it in and have the air cleaner done, they will charge you between $50 to $80. And this is something that's important to do, which is normal maintenance, but you can easily do it yourself at home, and this will greatly improve the way the engine performs, and you'll definitely get better gas mileage. The first thing you're going to do is go over here to the driver's door and open that up. Okay, now we're going to go here, and right down here there's a little latch. You pull it, you can hear it click, and that releases the hood. You can see that the hood is popped up. Now you're going to slide your hand across there, and it's got a safety latch on it. You're going to cross like that and lift it up. This right here is your safety latch that you have to undo once you pop it. And then over here will be your air cleaner that we're going to take out. Your air cleaner is right here. This should be changed every 10 to 15,000 miles. All you have on these things is little clips that hold it. You just pop them out. There's 4 of them on this Dodge Ram. One there, one here, and 2 on the sides. And push it back and lift it up like that, and you replace the air cleaner. So instead of having it done at a quick lube, it's a lot cheaper just to go to an AutoZone or something and pick up the air cleaner. As you can see, this one is filthy, and we got a new one over there we're going to put in place of it. As you can see on this one, of course is the old one we pulled out, how filthy it is, and this is a new one. This is greatly going to improve the breathing of the motor and better fuel mileage. These are the 4 clips that you're going to push down on it. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here. You're going to grab your air cleaner and you're going to lay it flat in there. And you got these tabs on this back side that these holes have to go into. So you're going to push it that way, then pull it back towards you. And it should sit down there flush. And now you're going to go over here and grab these tabs on all 4 of them and just reach up and clip them into place. And just go wiggle it around a little to get it in place. Clip that back one, and then the 2 on the side can be a little harder, but you just wiggle a little and you can usually snap it in place. That should be it. That's all it takes to change your air cleaner on a Dodge Ram with a 5.7 Hemi.